Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video I am going to explain question number 16 part D in your summer packs of class 7th. Let's read the question first. What you are going to do, you are going to find the mod of the following set of data. As you have already solved the mean, similarly you are going to find out the mod of the following set of the data. So what is the data that is given? 51, 52, 54, 52, 51, 57 and 51. As you are already seeing that there is a repetition of numbers in this, as 51 is 3 times in this data, 52 comes 2 times in this data. So mod is the most frequently seen number. What is the most frequently means the more times a number comes, that will be the mod of that set of data. Okay, in this question 51 comes more time, so 51 is the having greatest frequency, the mod will be 51. You only have to find out which number is coming more frequently, which is written more times. So you only have to find out that number, and that number will be the mod of your question. Similarly, in the next part, what you are going to do, part number 2 of D reads: the dot diagram shows the scores achieved by a group of students during a card game. State the mod. This is a dot diagram which shows how many scores every one of the students got in a group activity of card games. So two students, this is the number of students, and these are the scores from 1 to 5. So only two students got one score, four students got 2 score, 4 students got 3 score, and then 7 students got 4 scores, and 5 students got 5 scores. So which score is the most frequently? Most of the students got, not most of the students, but the greatest number of students got 4 score. Okay, so that will be the mod of this data. That means you have to find out which number has the greatest quantity. So the large number of students, or a greatest quantity of the students which got 4 score, so the mod will be 4. Okay, the next I am going to explain question number 16 part E. In this question we are going to find out the median of the following numbers. Okay, when you are going to find out the median, you have to first recognize what is the data and how many numbers are there in this set of data. Okay, there are two sets of numbers in when you are finding the median. First will be the odd number of quantities, and the second will be the even number of quantities. Odd number of quantity means when you count the numbers, that will be the answer will be a odd number. For example, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so 7 is the odd number. That means this group of data is odd number of quantities. So how you are going to find out the median of the quantity when you have odd number of quantities? Okay, what you are going to do, you are going to arrange the data first. Arrange means either you can write that this data in ascending order or in descending order. So I have written this data in ascending order. First I have written the smallest value, which is 54. So 54 comes 2 times, so I have written 54 2 times. Then it will be 56, then 58, then 60, 64 and 72. So I have arranged this in ascending order. Now what I am going to do, I am going to cut a single number from both sides to find out the middle value of this data, median of this data. So from here I have cut 54, and from here I have cut 72. Now I have cut one value from both sides, from left and right. Next I am going to again cut another value, then again another pair, and what is remained in the middle? 58. Only one quantity is left, so the median will be 58. Easy, right? Part 2 is similar, as it also contains odd number of quantities. It contains 5 quantities. We are going to follow the part 1 as it is. Now I am going to move towards part 3. So part 3 is a set of data that contains even number of quantities: 1 2 3 4 5 6. So what you are going to do, you are going to find the median of this data as well. But for what is the first step? You are going to arrange this data. So I have also arranged this data in ascending order. First 0, then the next quantity 124, then 136, 150, 155 and 160. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the values from left to right again. So one quantity from the left, one quantity from the right, then again one quantity from the left and one quantity from the right. So here in the middle there are two quantities. How we are going to find the median? What we are going to do, we are going to add these two quantities and then divide by 2. That means we are going to first add these quantities and then find out the half of that value. So 136 plus 150 divided by 2. 136 plus 150 is 286. Divided by 2, the answer will be 143, and 143 will be the median of this data. I hope you understood this concept of mod and median. In the next video, I am going to explain the last part of question number 16 in the summer packs. Okay.